Bleeding heart, Dicentra spectabilis, grows under trees, bushes, or in the shade. It blooms in mid-spring to early summer. Bleeding heart is a herbaceous perennial. It's hardy in zones 2 to 8, and it will eventually grow into a nice 3 to 3.5 foot rounded mound. And like most plants, it prefers nice, humus-rich, moist, well-drained soil with lots of organic matter. And if you want to, you can divide bleeding heart early in the spring. The blooms are, in this particular species, red to pink. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.